looks like me and Bae finally got settled in on our cruise. It's so cute. Got our spots. We're about to take off from the dock. All right, you guys. While we're waiting for the ship to take off, we're gonna finally eat that mother. Is it big? How big is it? Oh, it looks kind of small. It's like the size of a quarter, right?
No, it goes up when you drink it and it settles back down.
Did you eat some?
Yeah.
All right. Here it goes, you guys. My first time eating a kombucha mother.
Oh, I see you drinking it.
It was kind of like drinking a normal kombucha with some thickness to it. Would you drink another mother again if you had the opportunity? Yeah, I think now when we go to kombucha's stores, we're gonna always look for the kombucha with the mother in it. Just for fun. It's like finding a little prize in your drink. There they go. Are you sure you can't wait for your gift, honey?
Yeah.
I mean, it's only like 5 minutes till we take off. I thought when we were on the water it'd be better.
Yeah, but didn't you tell me about it yesterday?
No? I told you about the gift?
Yeah.
No,
You
this
were like,
isn't
I
the-
got you a gift.
No, this isn't the same thing.
So there's more gifts?
I told you I got you a gift, but I didn't tell you what it was.
What is this? Where did you get it?
Do you like it?
I'm not sure what this is. Is this
Oh.
from my desk?
Look at It's for your makeup desk, baby.
There's no space on it.
You're not gonna make space for my gift? I'm sure if you threw out some of those brushes, you'd have...
Why'd you get me clutter?
What? Are you serious? Wait, you're joking, right? What do you think? What do you think of this gift, baby?
Was someone throwing it out or something?
What?
You didn't even write anything.
Oh, there was a card inside?
See? You don't even know what you got me.
I never opened it. Well, some girl gave it to me and I just thought I'd re-gift it.
See, I
I'm
knew
just
it.
kidding. I'm just kidding. Obviously, I bought it for you, baby.
No, you didn't.
Do you want me to write some cute little sweet nothings on here?
Can I exchange it?
What? What is wrong with you? All right, you guys, take 2. Action. Sharon, I got you a gift. And you know why I got you this?
No.
You never like it when I bring you fresh flowers to work.
I like it.
Because
What?
you always throw them out right away because you don't want to have to take care of fresh flowers, right? You don't like fresh flowers?
I like receiving flowers at work. I wanted you to do that, remember? Okay, moving on.
Moving on. But every
So
time I
much
bring you
baggage.
every time I bring you fresh flowers, you're like, oh, but I don't have sunlight and I don't want to water them. I don't know how to take care of
Yeah, I
plants.
was like, will you take care of them?
I don't know how to keep living things alive. And I'm
Not
like,
true, I keep you alive.
but I'm seriously concerned about you being a mother. Like, how are you going to keep our
I'm
children alive?
concerned about you being ready to be a father like this year.
So, moving on. I was thinking, well,
How
you
are
don't like fresh flowers.
How are you going to support me pregnant for a year?
I don't know. Listen, let's not think about that right now. With YouTube, baby, that's how. No, so I didn't want to get you fresh flowers. I want to get you something better. So open it.
Oh, how sweet. Oh, there's a little card in here. What did you write? The most beautiful, loving, sweet woman in the world. I love you. Aww.
It's dipped in gold and it will last for an eternity. It will last longer than me in bed.
I'm gonna keep it forever. Thank you.
You really are the sweetest, most beautiful, cuddliest babe ever. And you make me happy. I love being with you, honey. Mwah. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Here's the Queen Mary of Long Beach. Here's the fireworks show we've been waiting for.